Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out-solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic dimensional formula and dimensional equations. So let us first study about dimensional formula. So dimensional formula is the expression which shows how and which of the base quantities represent the dimensions of a physical quantity. So the expression which shows how and which of the base quantities represent the dimensions of a physical quantity. Represents the dimensions of a physical quantity. For example, the dimensional formula of volume is dimensional formula of volume is actually m0 L cube T0. So this is the dimensional formula of volume. If we talk about the dimensional formula of force, then it will be mLT minus 2. So this is about dimensional formula. Now if we talk about dimensional equation, so an equation obtained by equating a physical quantity with its dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is known as dimensional equation. Dimensional formula is known as dimensional equation. For example, F is equals to mLT minus 2. V, which is velocity, is equals to m0 LT minus 1. Acceleration A is equals to m0 LT minus 2. So this is all about the dimensional formula and dimensional equation. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.